Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan. There again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah? Just some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers. Is it? Yeah, first up, I'm going to present a video to you, which is not really a long video. Now, this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a police service motor vehicle. And while I listen to some things that a person said in this video about the police service motor vehicle and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. Alright? Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe, look and listen.
So life funny. One park light, brake light, and make a we a drive a night with one brake light or park light. One big fat ticket and now a bumper. And look there. See? And because you are the law, you're supposed to set the example and have everything up to standard.
Well, my people, fear is fear. See what I say? And there's a thing where they say you should lead by example. But then again, maybe certain circumstances make that happen. You know, where the police service motor vehicle shows signs of certain things that might have been damaged or just not work. Alright, so our next video that I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at is a video that shows a motor vehicle driving on the wrong side of the road. I mean that whosoever was driving that motor vehicle was driving the motor vehicle forward but was on the wrong side of the road, viewers and subscribers. Now, the reason why I present this video to you is to bring some form of awareness, because you have some crazy drivers out there, you know. See me I say? And me just don't understand why would someone go on a road like this that have more than one lanes and a drive on the wrong side of the road. So people, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Observe for yourself. Okay, the video don't have no audio. Video don't have no audio. There's a reason for that still. But look right here now. Look right here. Look carefully. See that? Wrong side of the road. Obviously, you can see lanes over here and you can see some motor vehicles that travel on the other side over there. You see me answer, my people? So that motor vehicle that travel or did I drive on the wrong side of the road? That dangerous. Highly dangerous. So I present that video to you to bring some form of awareness, even though the video don't have no audio. I think it have audio, but there's a reason why the audio has been removed. Anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? On to another topic. Now, I read more than one news articles that said that an investigation had been launched into a situation where it is said that millions of dollars is missing from an account that belongs to Usain Bolt. And I'm talking about Usain Bolt, the track star, the man who broke world record in a sprinting, running. Now, my people, let me see if I can give you my understanding about this whole situation based on news articles that I read. Because I now act like somebody, I like me know everything. So listen carefully. According to this news article, it is said that a probe has been launched into millions of dollars reportedly missing from an account belonging to sprint legend Usain Bolt at Jamaican investment firm Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL. So, the news article said that the Sport Stars manager, who also had been mentioned by name in this article, confirms. Listening to my people. See? The news article have some words that gave me the understanding that the former athlete manager said that Usain Bolt became aware of this on Wednesday. Now remember, the news article said the manager said so, not Usain Bolt. So maybe that information is most accurate. But listen, the news article also said that Usain Bolt manager said that all the relevant steps have been taken to come to the bottom of this. And I also got the understanding that a lawyer got involved. Most likely, you see? Listen. The news article right here basically talk about a former employee at the SSL, viewers and subscribers, that was implicated in some form of things I don't want to mention yet in another video. You see me I say? Not until me get some good confirmed information. Me not go say these things. So, me just make you know about this whole situation where it is said that an investigation had been launched into a situation where it is said that millions had been missing from an account that belongs to Usain Bolt. My people, let's see how this whole thing turn out. I will give you more information if I get more information about this whole situation. Eh? Now, I got information that a 6-year-old child used a gun to shoot and injure his teacher. Now, I assume that some of you might be wondering if you hear me properly. I assume that some of you might be wondering where a 6-year-old child would get a gun from. I assume that some of you might be wondering if the gun was a legal firearm. Well, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand news articles that I read about this whole situation. So listen carefully. So according to those news articles that I read, it is said that a 6-year-old child used his mother's gun to shoot his teacher at a school that is located in the United States of America. So it is said that in a news conference on Monday, police said that the child brought the pistol to school in his backpack and that the child intentionally shot his teacher during class on Friday. Now today is Thursday, viewers and subscribers, so please bear that in mind. It is said that police said that the teacher somehow managed to get her students to safety before calling for help for herself. The teacher is said to be in her 20s, viewers and subscribers. And at one point, information had been put out there that the teacher had been taken to hospital for medical treatment and was in stable condition. See? Now, some people might be saying that the teacher is a trooper. Some people might be saying that the teacher is a hero. It is said that a law enforcer said that the teacher asked repeatedly about the well-being of her students who were in the classroom at the time of the shooting. So it is said that on Friday, police received a call that a teacher had been shot and that police arrived at a elementary school that is located in the United States of America and saw that a 6-year-old child was restrained by an employee of the school. It is said that a law enforcer said that the child fired 1 round at his teacher and that the shooting was not accidental, it was intentional, and that it took place while the teacher was giving a lesson. Now, up to now, I know some of you still might be wondering if the gun was a legal firearm. I soon get to the point. Listen carefully, because I know some of you might be wondering how a 6-year-old get a gun. So it is said that at some point the school was under some form of lockdown and that the shooting happened without any warning. Well, that seems obvious. So may I say, it is said that police said that they found a gun in the classroom and also the child's backpack along with other things as well, and obviously a spent shell casing. Now, a law enforcer said that police determined through an interview with the child's mother that the gun was bought legally and stored in their home. It is said that the gun is the child's mother's gun. You hear me? It is said that a law enforcer said that police determined through an interview with the child's mother that the gun was bought legally and stored in their home. It is said that the child was taken into custody and undergo some type of evaluation at a hospital, and that police added that they will seek a temporary detention order. It is said that at least one person who was in the classroom or one witness who was in the classroom talk about the incident during subscribers. It is also said that The school that contains a certain amount of pupils had metal detectors and pupils were checked at random and not every child was inspected. You know what I mean? But I guess that now that something like this happen, who knows what might happen now, is what I say. And overall, it is said that shortly after the shooting, students were evacuated to the school's gym before they were reunited with their families. You see, as viewing subscribers, and the school will remain closed for a certain amount of time to give students and families the time to heal. Well, my people, that seems reasonable, my people. You know, that seems reasonable. Here's my question, though. What do you think might happen when it comes on to this whole situation? This really and truly sad, you know. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that police within United States of America arrested a man and accused the man of shooting another man multiple times. At least one of those news articles that I saw shows a picture, and the picture shows the face of a man. Viewers, subscribers, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand at least one of those news articles that I read. Listen carefully. So according to this news article that I read, it is said that a man who is said to be a victim of a crime told the police that he met a man at a certain location in the United States of America as he was driving through a certain city one morning, and that the man agreed with him to have oral sex with him. Police said that the victim followed the man to a certain undisclosed location to perform the act. However, it is said that the victim told police that the man who he met began to act weird towards the victim, and that made him uncomfortable. So the man then drove the other man that he met to a certain location. It is said that police said that the victim sent the man money through what is said to be Cash App, and that they spoke about the act not occurring, meaning not happening. However, it is said that police said that the man then asked the victim for more money, but the victim had no more money to give. So it is said that police said that the man allegedly pulled a gun from his waist and shot the man multiple times. According to police, the victim ran from a certain location and hid in a nearby bushy area where he collapsed and was later on located. So it is said that the victim was able to provide detectives with the Cash App account and a description of the shooter, and that police said that the account belonged to the shooter's sister. So according to reports, a check of a computer records on Tuesday revealed that the shooter, who is said to be a parolee and convicted felon, was already in custody on unrelated charges, and that lead police to formally arrest him pertaining to this situation. Please bear in mind that I'm only going by a news article that I read, my viewers and subscribers. I'm not able to tell you if everything in the news article is accurate, more so even true. But this really and truly sounds horrible. Horrible. So me ask my people. So tell me what you think about that. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?